Okay, let me super quickly show you how you can create a local account for your Windows device instead of having to use a Microsoft account. So you'll probably start out on a window like this. So you just want to go ahead and press on Shift plus Fn. It could also be Shift plus Fn plus F10, depending on if you have the function key as the function keys or as the volume up and stuff like that. So yeah, just try one, and if it doesn't work, then try the other one. So one of the two are going to work. So that's going to open up the command prompt, and what you want to type in is ncpa.cpl. When you open that up, it is going to open your Windows Wi-Fi settings. So what you want to do here is simply to go ahead and right click, and you want to click on disable for all of these. If you do have multiple, then go ahead and click on disable for all of them basically. You are going to enable this later, but for now you do need this to be turned off. So after you've done that, go back to the command prompt. You can close the previous window. And now what you want to type into the terminal is going to be OOBE. After that, you want to do a backslash. It is normally around the 0 key, and you can simply go ahead and press on Alt and then press that key. If you can't find it, then simply go ahead and search up on Google for your specific Windows device. After you've typed in that, you want to type bypass NRO. When you go ahead and click on enter, this is going to restart your Windows device. So just go ahead and let it restart. After you've done that, you're going to have to do the Windows startup again, but now when you get to the network section, you want to click on I don't have internet. This is why we previously turned off all the Wi-Fi and Ethernet to the device. Then it is going to ask you if you want to continue with limited setup, so you're just going to want to click on that instead of connect now. When you do that, you're instead going to be creating a local account, and it is therefore going to ask you to create a password. So simply go ahead and do that. After you're done with the setup, you want to enable your Wi-Fi or Ethernet again. So to do that, just go ahead and press on the Windows key so that you can start the search panel, and go ahead and type in ncpa.cpl, what we typed in earlier. You're going to see this control panel item, so just go ahead and click on it. And this time, instead of disabling them, you want to right click and then go ahead and click on enable. For me, I never disabled them, so I only get the disable option, but for you, it will say enabled. So just go ahead and click on that, and now you're ready to go. Hope this video helped you out.